Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Jura Fabric Swivel Chair. Features. With its innovative design, the Jura chair is the perfect choice for the contemporary office environment. The chair has generously cushioned seat, backrest and arms for an extremely comfortable sit. With its integral back surround and armrests with split design, the Jura is a stylish and versatile chair, perfect for use in any office, reception or breakout area. The lever on the right adjusts the seat height of the chair. By lifting the lever up, the height can be set to perfectly suit the user. The Jura comes with an elegant 5-star chrome base and is supplied with twin-wheel casters and chrome hooded glides. The chair is fully upholstered with elegant stitch detailing in a range of fabric colours for a professional finish. The Jura Fabric Swivel Chair comes with a TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift and supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Fabric and foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Levels 0, 1 and 5. The Jura Fabric Swivel Chair comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.